What is up?
Make way here now.
On behalf of my family, the good people of Rivers State, we're here to condole and support our brother, Beredugo in particular. He has been one man that has supported our government. He's a principal officer to my government, a key stakeholder, and a very strong ally. We are here as a government to show that in this difficult time that we stand with him. We know that there is no consolation here that can fill the gap of this loss, more especially a mother's loss. But we want to draw his mind to the good book. That is the Lord that giveth, and is also the Lord that taketh. And he takes for reason. We live in a corrupt world. And when you are a saint in the world, when it pleases the Almighty, and he believes that he doesn't want you to be corrupted, it takes away the soul to a better place where death is no more, where you don't need to look for food again, where you have peace. So we strongly believe that the way Mama has lived and the good virtue that we read about Mama, that there is no doubt that she will be in the good side in heaven. May her soul rest in peace. We have been made to understand that the cathedral needs, in fact, strong support. We are going to support the completion of the cathedral. We will support the building with it in memory of Mama. Do you understand? With the sum of 50 million naira that has made it from River State, from the government in particular, that I seen you here. Honestly, I feel very happy that you were able to come to support Beredugo. God is going to support every one of you, meet you in your point of need too. Let me, again, on behalf of the government, thank everyone, thank the church for their support, and may God bless everyone. Thank you.
Just thank all of you for coming to honor my mother. Well, for the governor, I can't thank enough. We said that Then we became brothers, and today is my boss. Thank God for that going for River State, and I thank him so heartily for coming personally to honor my mother. So is the deputy governor. Well, somebody wrote a book and called it The Accidental Civil Servant. I'm not sure he's an accidental public servant. He's a quintessential public servant. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. The Speaker of the River State Assembly, I can see the former Deputy Governor, I can see member of the National Assembly, I can see commissioners, of course. We have been barred from taking the protocol, so I'll stop here. For all my friends, I say thank you. And most importantly, I thank the Almighty God for the life of my mother and for bringing all of you safely to honor my mother. Thank you so much.